Public Services and Procurement Canada is removing barriers in the century-old buildings on and around Parliament Hill. We are restoring and modernizing the buildings and improving access for everyone. The newly built Visitor Welcome Centre provides the first ever barrier-free public entrance to Parliament. The Interim Senate and the House of Commons chambers include accessible seating on both the chamber floors and public galleries. New and restored spaces will have a barrier-free path of travel on all floors. The changes to the buildings on the Hill are helping to create a more inclusive and accessible Canada.